There's another car! Hey guys, so really quickly before we get into today's video, I wanted to let you know that Raymond and I are doing a little fan meetup at the Montreal Auto Show tomorrow. It is happening from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the RTX Wheels booth. You can come say hi, take some pictures. We might have a couple goodies for you. So come by, say hi. There's more information in the description down below. Enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Forza Horizon 3, where we've been using this GTR to set so many records. First, we started off by jumping from the airfield all the way to Surfer's Paradise. That went incredibly well. Then we opened up AR-12 Airlines and took our first flight from the Outback all the way to Byron Bay. And today, you guys were asking me to try to step it up a little bit and fly all the way to... Where is it, actually? Actually, we'll need to go over here. I'm in the wrong place. You guys have been asking me to come all the way over here. Not to Byron Bay, over there. That is Blizzard Mountain. And today, we are going to try to jump all the way to Blizzard Mountain in our crazy GTR. I don't know what it's going to take. I don't even know what we're going to see out there. But today, I can assure you, things will probably go badly, so sit back and relax. This is going to be a pretty interesting one. So before we actually get into this, you guys were leaving a bunch of comments on the video saying, I can get this to stop happening. Where you guys were saying there's some problem with torque and stuff, and if I just change one little value, I can make it so it doesn't roll all the time. So let's do that. If you go into this file and change all of the engine torque body roll settings to 0, it solves this issue. Okay. 0 and 0. Cool. All right. So now we shouldn't flip when we try to gun it. Well, it goes backwards, but that's just because I have stupid amounts of grip. But it's not rolling. We're good. We just need to not have stupid grip and stupid horsepower. Okay, good. We haven't broken anything. Tire compound, I'll be honest, as cool as 30 was for everything, 15 is actually much more reasonable. Will you actually, like, drive forward? No. No, I think are we too heavy? Possibly. I mean, we are 11,000 pounds, which might be throwing the car off a little bit. But I want to actually, like, have a proper run-up to the jump. I don't want to just use, like, gravity mods. Because as cool as gravity mods are, they are a bit cheaty. So let's go back to stock weight and just try that. I really hope it can just drive. You know what you guys were telling me, though? You guys were telling me that the space shuttle has apparently 70,000 horsepower, which is quite cool. Okay, yeah, it doesn't work still. Let's go back into the festival, turn the horsepower down a little bit, see if that fixes things. If it hasn't, boy, I guess we're just using the what's it called mods? The gravity. Cool. 20,000 horsepower, by the way. This should probably be drivable. I find a lot of this is trying to find a good balance between, oh, having too much horsepower, oh, being too light, and oh, not being able to drive the car. So will it actually drive now? Oh, gears. Yeah, we stalled out pretty hard there. Alright, is this gonna work? It drives! We can actually drive in Forza... I say actually drive in Forza Horizon. There's so much input lag when you chuck the car up to, like, stupid amounts of grip. And it's just like... It does have 20,000 horsepower. So, you know, it's a bit much. Okay, so if that's Blizzard Mountain over there, we can see in the distance. We need a jump that sort of faces in that direction. And I feel like the best place to do it is gonna be from Byron Bay, honestly. Oh my god, the input lag is stupid. What if we gun it up this hill? Like, this hill looks pretty good. Like, if we come off-road here... Oh, there's an XP board. If we come off-road here, and we, like... Oh, there's a wall in the way. Who put that wall there? My problem is going to be clearing that wall. If we can get up and over the wall, like, in time, it should, in theory, work. But, like, how does this forward? Yeah, we're going to need to be a lot higher than that. Okay. We might need to play with some gravity mods. Because... Oh! Well, apparently that's high enough. Okay. So... we need to plan out a route that basically just rips it through here. We don't have very much run-up. I will be honest. This is about it for our run-up. And we need to hope we don't hit that tree and or that house. But in 3, 2, 1, GTR, let's go. Let's see what you're able to do, GTR. Please get out of the map. Okay, that didn't go any further than we did before. The gears for this are a bit strange and they do need some work. Okay, so if that didn't work, let's put, say, 4 million horsepower back into the car instead of 400 million. And then let's see if we can get grip here again. Okay, 20,000 horsepower. Nailed it. I think 4 million horsepower is drivable, and I think it's like the golden zone. We will have to see, though. Does it drive? Oh, yes, it does! Oh, look at this. I mean, it's very bouncy. Oh, it also doesn't have reverse. Gears. Yes. Yes, it drives. Yes. Okay. Okay, GTR. It works. So let's go find that house. See, someone just died. See what we can do. I kind of feel like there must be a better jump. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe from over here? Actually, maybe from here. Maybe we can use one of those and fly all the way. Maybe this'll work. Okay, so where's my wood? I sometimes lose my wood and I need to find it again. These 3 pieces of wood, they are built to be jumps. What if I hit them so fast I go flying over the entire mountain? Well, you know what? Let's just try a quick little spawn in at 300 miles an hour and just see what happens. If this at all is even facing in the right direction. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, go. Apparently those need to be smooth. Okay, well, that didn't tell us anything. Thank you for telling me there's a barn find rumor. It's not like I've done it or anything already. Like, what if I use this? Apparently what I jumped into was not actually the map. Next idea. Let's try over by the waterfall, maybe. All right, new problem. This area has way, way too many trees. So I can tell you right now, it's not gonna work. All right, oh yeah. There's also a waterfall in the way. Never mind, that area's, okay. Well, back here we go. Like, I don't want to keep coming to the airfield, but it turns out it's just the best place for jumping. Why didn't I do this before? What if we just come off here? Like, look. Whee! Boy, I'm a right pleb, aren't I? Should have done this before. There's not much run-up area, and we're also going to need to play with the gravity. But that's just how life works now. Car scale gravity, let's go to 0.2. And for the airborne gravity scale, let's go to 0.75. So in 3, 2, 1, go! GTR off to Blizzard Mountain. We're doing 100 miles an hour. Okay, there we go. I think we hit it at like 200 miles an hour-ish. But because of the gravity, we can fly much, much further. Oh, this is definitely going to work. There's a barn find underneath us. Well, if you ever wanted to find a barn find, just use a 40 million horsepower GT. I'm actually trying to find the barn. I actually can't find it. It's somewhere. Oh, I see it! It's over there in all those trees! Solid job, me. Okay. Well, I think we left the map. Did we leave the map? No! We were just flying over a mountain. We weren't even close. Okay. Here's what this tells me. Less gravity. This is when you ask yourself, have you ever wondered if you're making a really stupid video? All the time. All right, in 3, 2, 1, go GTR. I have 0 grip because of there's an AI car. Look at the AI car, he's gone. Is there anyone behind me? Look, there's an AI car back there. He's not flying yet. Well, I hope you've taken your seats for takeoff here on AR-12 Airlines as we go really, really high. There's another car around us somewhere. I think he's above us. Oh, there's another car! It's a BAC. He's just flying through the air. We nearly had an in-air collision. Holy shit. Okay. Problem this time. We had too much height, not enough far. Good. All right. Let's, wow. We are really high. Bye. He just flew away. Oh, there goes another one. Oh my god, all the AI is just flying over there. I don't even know what he is. there's just flying AI. Every time they spawn in, they just keep going up. Oh, here comes one. Here comes a couple. You can see who's flying all the way up. Place car. Go 300 miles an hour. We need a lot of far. I hope everyone's taking their seat to, I hope you enjoy. How do you do airline flight announcements? Thank you for choosing AR-12 Airlines. Please take your seats for takeoff. There's exits that way and that way. The in-flight crew will be around to serve beverages shortly. Should you feel sick at any time, because you might be in a GTR about 10 million feet in the air, I can provide a sick bag. Other than that, we're still not at Blizzard Mountain. Just keep going, man. Just keep going. Okay, we'll speed this bit up. Autopilot. It's good. 21st century, man. Wait, guys, I think the autopilot has gone a bit funny. It's got, like, I think we're going the wrong direction. Okay, well, I broke the game. Let's back to the festival, or back to here. So apparently Blizzard Mountain is just, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop! Stop! In the name of me! Please! I mean, we don't even need that big of a jump. That's the thing. We just need like a little incline. All right, let's try this. We're sort of lined up. I don't even know which way we're facing. Oh shit, we didn't hit that jump the way I thought we would. But we do have some air. Are we even going in the right direction? No, we're not. Wait. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. That's the way I want to go. There's Blizzard Mountain. It's right over there. Okay. You know what? As we're spinning, once we're facing Byron Bay, once we're facing Blizzard Mountain again, I will spawn the car in again. Why does it stop spinning? No, we hit the box. Yeah, we hit the box on the sky, and you see what happens? We just stop. I can't rev my car. Shit! Okay, well, maybe try on this side. Maybe that'll work. Maybe that's gonna be enough. As we fly over the entire jungle. Can we still drive the car? Yeah, we can still rev. Okay. That's my test. If I can rev, we are still good. Nope, I can't rev anymore. Car's stuck. So when the car stops spinning, that's when we get stuck. Look how far we are, though. That's pretty good. Go GTR. Okay. We are going to hit hyperspace this time around. So here's what we're going to do. We are going to keep placing... That has not worked the way I thought it would. But it worked out somehow. We're still going in the right direction, right? Yeah, we are. Good. So Blizzard Mountain is over there. Let's speed it up a little bit and see if we hit it. Possibly. I don't know if we will, but let's find out. Holy shit, boys! We did it! We did it! We need to go for a landing. Make it. 1. Wait, no, 10. How do I land? 10. And 10. Yes! Oh, we landed on the helipad! I mean, that was pretty cool. Anyways, welcome to Blizzard Mountain with the dev build. I hope you guys have enjoyed this very, very silly video of how I tried to jump Blizzard Mountain and apparently have sex with a tree. If you did, you can subscribe down below, smash the like button, and I must give a massive shout out to Jake for letting me know how to install Blizzard Mountain, getting the whole thing working. So huge props to him. Be on the lookout for some Blizzard Mountain mod videos, because this is going to be absolutely insane. Be on the lookout for it next week. I will see you guys then. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!